UBQ Material is in the business of waste recycling. We built plastic products out of unsorted waste. On our legacy system, we did not grow. The legacy system focused more on the finance part, on procurement part, but was not really able to meet the quality requirements. The reason we selected Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP was its ability to keep the high quality requirements on quality, traceability, manufacturing, and combine that into costing, finance, and reporting. Oracle Fusion Cloud application requires multiple set of skills, and we looked for a partner that can cover it end-to-end, both the functional, like finance, supply chain, and so on, but also the more technical, like Oracle Integration Cloud or database solutions. We decided to work with Oracle Customer Success Services. We looked for cultural fit, and I think we found that in Oracle CSS very strongly. I've never been in a position where we could not get the right skill. That's a very high level of trust in my eyes. Oracle Customer Success Services is just part of my team. When I need help from my team, I go to Customer Success Services. And I also accept the other way around. I expect Oracle Customer Success Services to treat me like they were an UBQers, which I think they do. So to me, we are one.